Some athletics news now. Henry Thomas and Shanice Gordon completed contrasting victories to emerge the respective male and female winners of the 8th staging of the UWI 5K run on Sunday at the Mona campus. Thomas of UCT Steppers clocked 15 minutes and 42 seconds to win the men's section ahead of Javan Francis of GC Foster College, 16 minutes and 9 seconds, and Kamar Leslie of Rainforest Seafood, 16 minutes and 15 seconds.
As I said, I encountered some hills and not what I was expecting, but it was a good one.
And regarding you seem to be running back into some form. Tell us about that.
Well, I've been just putting in the work, and you just have to put in the work and trust the process at the same time. And I just came out here to do my best, and that's what I did.
The women's race was much closer, with Gordon securing a narrow victory over Samantha James of Wilmer's Trust. Gordon clocked 19 minutes and 36 seconds to hold off James 19 minutes and 38 seconds. Veteran Arietta Martin was third in 20 minutes and 4 seconds.
Yes, it was there when I saw James stop and actually lie down on the ground. That's where I thought I knew I would win, because I knew she didn't have anything left.
Dual Allen of Creation Foods took the men's 5K walk in a very good 25 minutes and 21 seconds, while veteran Carleen Blagrove took the female section in 31 minutes and 42 seconds. The men's 5K wheelchair went to Navardo Griffiths. Now, UWI Mona principal Dale Weber noted that the event continues to meet its target of providing scholarships for needy students.
Last year, this call came exactly at the right time. We had 300 students who were being deregistered, and this scholarship, funds from this scholarship, enabled us to save 100 of those students right away. I'm hoping that this year we'll make even more money, but the average is between 100 and 200 students benefit over the entire year from this scholarship. UWI 5K, great event.
Meanwhile, the RJ Gleaner Group's Neville Burtis Bell was honored at Sunday's event for his contribution to nation building and youth development through sports and media. Bell joins a distinct group of Jamaicans who have received this award.